PhotoVoice is a community action research methodology in which participants or research participants will go out and take photos in order to answer a research question. Then these photos are discussed, debriefed, and then a community exhibit is presented where community members can come and see the participants' answer to the research question through their own eyes, through photography. So I've been an evaluator for the YM2 project since the beginning, and last year, during the second year, we did a number of different focus groups with the young men that are engaged in the project. But during year 3, we really wanted to try to have the young men become more involved in the evaluation itself. We decided that PhotoVoice would be the best approach to do this. The kind of first step that we took was to really figure out what the research question would be. And this question was, how do young men navigate safe spaces within their communities? We decided to develop a training for the young men on 2 different things. 1, on what the topic of the PhotoVoice project is, what the background would be, and 2, actually to bring a professional photographer and train the young men on different photography skills. After about a month or 2 of taking photos, we came around with the young men and had a debrief at each of the different top clubs to talk more about what pictures they've taken so far, what they think about the process, what they've been getting out of it or not. And then after that final second debrief, the young men worked with their facilitators to actually select their final photos and write some captions that accompany those photos. Those pictures and captions were then put on a poster board and they were displayed in a community exhibit. After the exhibit, we took our notes from all the different discussions we had with the young men from the 2 different debriefs, and then we also took the final photos that they selected from the exhibit and their captions that accompanied them, and some kind of really high-level findings that we learned about were that oftentimes young men would come to the top clubs in order to feel safe, and those would be their safe places. Just by being with their friends, no matter really where they were, they felt safe. So their safe places really were with one another. And now that we've finished this research project, we have been and we will continue to share the results with anyone who works with young men and the community more broadly, because we believe that the results from this project will help them better serve young men and help them better understand safety from their own perspective. We hope that you found valuable lessons that you can use in your work and in other areas of your life about how young men think about safety and what safety means to them. If you're interested in doing your own PhotoVoice project, please feel free to contact us. We put our information below. We also hope that this project inspired you to think about alternative and innovative ways to capture young men and young people's perspectives about their lives, and that you can then use those to further improve your programs and help further improve the lives of the young people you work with.